entire probe is now widening into a drug angle where the Narcotics Control Bureau wants to know more about it. And of course, the Enforcement Directorate is grilling Gaurav Arya tomorrow to check for any financial discrepancy alongside the drug angle as well. Munish, stay with us. Let's also try to get you an understanding as to which are the medicines that were prescribed to Sushant. Remember one thing, before I say this is a prescription that Shruti Modi allegedly sent to Sushant's sister already. So the family was in the know-how of Sushant consuming these drugs. The reason we're listing these drugs out is for you to know that these are the drugs that are used to treat some sort of a mental health disorder, and those are the giveaway. Curipin in 25 milligrams, from what I understand from doctors, it is a pediatric dose. It's a very mild dose given, but this is a dose which is given to treat a condition called schizophrenia. So he was under treatment for schizophrenia, which is a mental health disorder, as you already know. The second one is Certa, also goes by the name Sertraline in 50 milligrams. This is a medication which is an SSRI. It is used for treating depression. The next drug that he was prescribed is Clonotril, also goes by the name Lonazep. 0.5 mg, from what we understand from doctors, this is a drug which is a downer. Unlike the modafinil that we were talking about that brings you up and increases your concentration, you've got Lonazep, which is Clonotril, which is a downer which calms your frayed nerves down. It was given in 0.5 mg, and it was given to treat him for anxiety neurosis as well. Oleans in 5 mg for treating hallucinations as well. This is a medication given if a patient is hallucinating, and hence this is a medicine that is prescribed by the doctor. All of these are prescription drugs. You can't just buy them off the shelves. You need a prescription for this. Remember, these were the same medicines, the names of which were on the prescription that was shared by Sushant Singh Rajput's former manager Shruti Modi to Sushant's sister Neetu Singh as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.